This year 2023, every of your enemies must go down this year 2023. Those people that have sworn that over their dead body that they will be alive to see you succeed in life, this year 2023, they must surely go down. Remember, the Bible says, suffer not the witch to live. Yes, so this year 2023, every mouth that have said that you will never amount to anything, they must surely go down. Okay, and make sure when this happen, you don't cry, don't pity them, don't cry, because they are your enemy. You don't pity your enemy. Okay, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you what you can do to make this happen to them. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon IT Spiritual Tip. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share this video to other places so that other people will see it, and make sure you give me a thumbs up. It's very, very important to me. If you like my teachings, give me that thumbs up. Just click on that thumbs button, okay, to show me that appreciation. All right, and God will bless you by the special grace of God. Okay, so if you want your enemies to die this 2023, if you want this to happen to them, those people that have made a vow that you will never succeed, that they will make sure that they make your life miserable, if you want them to die this 2023, like I said, this 2023, we are not going to pity anybody that doesn't want our progress. So if you really want this to happen to them, then you need to get this item I'm about to show you, because it's very, very important. You need to have these items before you can be able to carry out this spiritual exercise. Okay, the first item that you need to have is Bintu Isudan. This is the oil. You need to go and get it from any spiritual shop, Bintu Isudan, and you need to get alligator pepper, 1 bunch. Okay, the third item is old broom. Old broom, the broom that you have been using to sweep your house for a very long time. Get an old broom. And the fourth item is black bucket. Go and buy a black bucket, 1 black bucket. Okay, these are the 4 items that you need to have for you to be able to carry out this spiritual exercise. Okay, now when you get these items, that black bucket that you have bought, you are going to keep it inside your house, not outside your house. You can keep it anywhere in your house, but make sure it is inside your house. And fetch water. Fetch water, have buckets. Fetch water, have buckets. Okay, when you fetch that water, have buckets, the time you carry out this spiritual exercise is by 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock a.m. So set your alarm. Set your alarm so that you can be able to wake up and carry out this spiritual exercise. 2 o'clock in the night. Okay, you wake up and get your alligator pepper. Get your alligator pepper. Open it from your bag. That is the right way to open alligator pepper, from your bag. Open it from your bag and bring out 1 single seed. 1 single seed. That 1 single seed, now you're going to place it inside your palms. Use it and pray. Call on God. Okay, call on the forces that works with the universe, the God in heaven. Tell them that this person, if you know the person, if you don't know the person, you say that whoever it is that have made a vow, wherever the person is now, these are the things you'll be saying as you're holding that single alligator pepper. You pray with that single alligator pepper. After praying, you throw that single alligator pepper inside that water, that black bucket. You throw it inside that bucket, and then you open this Bintu Isudan oil and pour all of them inside that bucket of water. Then you get that broom, that old broom. Take them out and dip it inside that bucket and leave it there. By that time, 2 o'clock in the night, okay, you pray and command whatever thing they have placed on your life, whatever demonic causes and whatever demonic ways that have been working in your life, out from your life. You pray and say your intentions, say your mind. Okay, make sure you don't keep quiet. You have to pray. Okay, because the words we speak are powerful. You have to pray, say something, don't keep quiet. Okay, now after doing that, you are not going to touch that water again for that day. You are not going to touch that water again. You are going to leave that water throughout the whole night. Okay, the next day, you repeat the same exercise, but now the second day you are not going to put all these items. You are only going to add second seed of alligator pepper. Okay, you are going to add only second seed of alligator pepper inside that water again. You are not going to touch that water again. You are just going to leave it at a particular place. But that alligator pepper, you are going to add the second seed into it. Okay, the third day you add another third seed of alligator pepper inside that water. Make sure that water you don't touch it. The third day you repeat the same thing, the fourth alligator pepper. Okay, you do it for 7 days. The seventh day, which is the last day, okay, you are going to bring out that broom, that old broom, and say wherever they are, which is the last day, wherever they are, that as you have done this spiritual exercise, as you have done this prayer, that let today being the 7th day of that prayer, bring perfection to your prayers. Okay, after saying that, you sprinkle that water of that alligator pepper, you sprinkle it, that water inside that bucket, you sprinkle it around your house, inside your house, outside your house. Okay, sprinkle it every area of your house. Every area of your house. Sprinkle it with that old broom. Okay, now after sprinkling that water with that old broom, you throw that old broom away. All these things, you will do it on the 7th day, which is the last day. Okay, after you must have finished praying and everything, you throw that old broom away. Don't keep it inside your house again. After throwing that old broom away, you throw that bucket that you use in carrying out this spiritual exercise, you throw it away. Okay, make sure these items are not available in your house. Make sure you don't leave them in your house. Okay, after this prayer. Now, after you must have finished throwing them away, that is the end of that exercise. Okay, and then you relax and watch those people that have make such a vow, that have spoken such demonic words towards you, and see what will happen to them this year 2023. This is a very powerful spiritual recipe. If you really want to destroy those people that have made such comments towards your life, okay, if you want to destroy them, just carry out this spiritual exercise and you see them being a history. Okay, if you have any question you want to ask on this video, drop it on the comment section. If you don't understand any part of the video, use the comment section, drop it so that I will direct you more. Okay, if you have any spiritual problem, you need assistance, chat me up with the number showing on the screen. And if you need spiritual products like protection oil, good luck perfume and other things, just chat me up with the number showing on the screen. I'll make it available for you no matter your location. Okay, so make sure you practice this spiritual exercise and don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, it's very, very important to me. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.